you just hear something?
Like what?
Like that.
Oh, who's making that noise?
It's coming from the top of the hill. Come on, let's find out.
To you too!
What are you doing, Oakley?
Shh! Listen.
To you too!
You're laughing at your echo.
And a very rude echo it is, too.
Come on, Bluebird. You have a go. Shout something out.
I don't have the time. My flappy friend Manny is flying over for a picnic. Good day.
Easy does it.
So, why do echoes echo?
It's the noise you make when you shout, bouncing off the trees and hills, so you hear them again. Listen. Hello!
Goodbye!
See? It's the same. Wait a minute.
It's a very funny echo.
But echoes don't talk back to you. I need to investigate. Come on, Raggles. Where's the twooter gone? How did it get all the way down there? Hurry up, Raggles.
There it is again.
Oh, Bluebird, you know how to lay on a good picnic.
Hello, Bluebird. Having a picnic on your own?
Actually, I'll be dining with Manny, a birdie friend of mine. He is marvellous company, always making me laugh with his jokes and pranks.
Sounds like my kind of friend.
Well, don't think you're going to join us. It's a feathers-only picnic.
Are you sure you've laid out enough berries?
Oh, you could be right. But I'd better hurry. He'll be here in a minute. I don't want Manny to think I can't look after my guests.
Bye, Bluebird. Enjoy your berries.
Bye, Will. Strange. Oh, move, will you? Oh, very funny, Will. Ha ha.
Can you see something different about Big Bear?
He's wearing glasses.
What? Oh, hello, Rosie. And you, Raggles.
Did you know you have a pair of chalk glasses on your face?
Oh, that's funny. I didn't have them when I started my nap.
Have you been hearing that funny echo?
A funny echo? What's a funny echo?
Go on, Raggles. Show Big Bear.
Can you hear me?
Loud and clear!
Well, I never.
Where are you, Manny? I'm getting hungry. Maybe just a few berries to keep my hunger at bay until Manny arrives.
Here's Rosie and Raggles. Could they solve the mystery of the missing music?
Hello, Saffy. Oh, what's wrong, Holly?
It's my recorder. It won't play a note. And it's really hard to blow into.
Is a recorder that doesn't play simply a stick?
Sounds broken to me.
Or blocked. Look, and I think there's something written on it. Ha ha, tricked you. I think someone is playing practical jokes on us all. First it was our twooter,
And then Big Bear's chalk glasses.
and now Holly's recorder. And who do we know who likes to play jokes on people?
Will! Are you the echo, Will?
Hark, I hear the call of a cheeky bird.
Well, I hear the call of a cheeky boy. Fancy out joking the joker, Holly?
Yes. Let's go.
Oh, where is that Manny? Maybe I should even the bowls up a bit. Manny's looks far too full.
Oh, today has been the best day. Oh, what's that? Buzzberries. Oh, I love buzzberries. Ah! Hey!
Okay, Rosie. Now,
He's missed them again.
Tying the buzzberries to the fishing line is such a great trick, Rosie.
Oh, stay still, will you? Okay, easy does it.
Blue!
Oh, very clever. Actually, I've got to admit it, that was a good one.
not half as good as your echo trick.
What echo trick?
You know, the one where we shout, yes, and you shout back,
Monkey nuts!
If Will is here and the echo is there, then...
So you didn't do it, Will?
Of course not.
Then who could it be?
I want to catch an echo, and I think I know how to do it. Can you keep calling to the echo, Oakley?
yes, please.
To you too!
Follow that echo!
To you too.
There! Look!
So you're our echo.
Oh, hello. Yes, I suppose I must be.
You're Manny, aren't you? Bluebird said you were good at playing pranks. She was right.
Yes, I just can't help myself.
But shouldn't you be having a picnic with Bluebird?
Oh dear. I was having so much fun pretending to be an echo, I must have forgotten.
You forgot Bluebird?
Oh, she won't like that.
Oh, better be going. Bye. Sorry I'm late, Bluebird, but I'm here now and I'm starving. I could eat a bowl full of... Oh.
It would be great if there really was a thingy that talked back to you.
What kind of thingy, Raggles?
You know, a what's-it that says the same thing as you when you shout.
You mean an echo?
Pardon?
An echo.
Sorry, I couldn't quite get that.
An echo.
Come again?
Oh, very funny, Raggles.
I thought so. Easy does it. Oh, Rosie!
It wasn't me, Raggles. I thought it was you.
It wasn't me.
you didn't do that big, huge sneeze. Then who did?
I don't know, but they better not do it again.
No, no. There's another one on its way. Oh.
Are you okay, Oakley?
Bleary eyes, sniffy nose. You, my dear Oakley, have a cold. Ah!
Oh, dear. Sorry to hear that, Oakley. No, I'm fine. I've just got a little tickle in my nose, that's all.
A little tickle? It was the biggest sneeze ever sneezed. It went, achoo! Again!
I don't think Oakley really wants to, little bear.
Again! That is no way to talk to a poor, sneezy old oak tree.
Oh, little bear, come back.
Again!
Oh, little bear.
Yes, I know a cold when I see one.
Sorry.
Bigger and better. Oh no, keep away! That's better. No more sneezy Oakley.
Oakley sneezing? Why?
It's not safe up there. It's not safe in here. Not if you're a tower of bricks. I'll soon see to that. Acorns, stop being silly. There. Huh. You see? Easy when you know how. Huh? Oh, thanks, Bluebird.
Well, you're a bit cleaner, sort of.
Yes, but isn't he still a teensy-weensy bit?
Smelly!
It's the bathtub for you, young bear.
No!
You could have a squirt of my homemade perfume instead.
Nice.
I made it. I'm wearing it myself.
Yuck! Don't come any closer! He possesses gale force sneezes! Oh!
She's right. You've never heard sneezes like these.
Again!
How bad can one little sneeze be?
I think you're about to find out. Whoa!
Sorry. Again.
That was quite big for one little sneeze.
I think Oakley needs our help. Come on.
I will. Your kite's on the ground.
I know that, Raggles. No wind.
Maybe we can help.
How? You can't make the wind blow.
No, but there's someone who can.
Wow!
Mine! I know it's not easy, but you must control your sneezes, Oakley.
I'm trying, Bluebird, but they just happen when I'm least expect.
Uh-oh! Look out, everyone!
Hang on, everyone.
Hey! Thanks, Oakley!
Oh, poor Oakley.
Poor us, you mean?
Here you go then, little bear. Hold on tight.
Oh, sorry, Holly.
Holly, are you all right?
I think so.
We'd better check everyone else is safe. Raggles, and there's Will, and Big Bear, and... Where's Little Bear?
He was here a moment ago. Hold on tight.
Little Bear!
Oakley's sneeze has blown him away.
Will, get the go speeder. Raggles, the twooter. Follow that kite.
It was fun.
I can't see him. Oh, which way?
We've lost him.
There he is.
He's landing. Hang on, Little Bear.
Oh, we'll never find him.
Shh. Listen. Safi, you've got him.
Phew. Thank you, Safi. Pooh. Let's be getting you down, Little Bear.
Oh, he knows he can drop by any time.
Safi, can you help us? Oakley can't stop sneezing.
Well, one person's ice cream can be another's spinach.
You mean it might be something that we like, but Oakley doesn't? Come on. I think we found what's making you sneeze, Oakley.
Oh, quick, before he does it again. What is it?
You!
What?
Every time Oakley sneezed, you were flying around near him. I think it's your feathers.
My feathers, my beautiful feathers.
They are beautiful, but Safi said what's nice to some people can be...
Horrid?
No, not nice to others.
Nonsense! Everyone loves my feathers. They even smell wonderful. Now Holly sprayed them with her perfume.
Perfume?
Yes. Smell for yourself.
Take cover, everyone!
Fly! Fly for your lives!
Okay, Oakley, let it rip!
I'm so sorry, Oakley. I never meant to tickle your nose with my perfume.
It's not your fault, Holly. I've had a sensitive nose ever since I was a sapling. In fact, I can smell something right now. Oh-wee! I think it's time we had that bath, don't you?
No!
You can have bubbles and a duck.
Duck!
It might be an idea if you had a bath too. You don't want your perfume making Oakley sneeze again.
Good idea, Rosie. Come on, Bluebird. You can have a bath at my house.
Oh, okay. But I want the tap end.
Easy peasy. Don't know what all the fuss was about.
No!
Very funny. Achoo!